Hey everyone, welcome to my Candid unboxing and first opinion video. Here I am just currently trying to open this box, and I definitely struggle with trying to get it open. As you can see here, not my finest moments. And I'm just going to toss the box down the floor right here just to take care of it later. But overall, the packaging of this product was very, very nice and high quality. And again, I struggle here to try to figure out how to open it when you can clearly see in this video clip that the opening is in the front. So after opening my kit, this is what the inside looks like. I have 13 steps in my kit, and I'm just going to start taking apart the box here. It shows like the first steps 1 through 12 and then 13 through I believe 26. Here is the whitener that you put in your aligners and then just your case. And then moving on, I just kind of take apart the case, go through everything that's in here. There's a couple of pamphlets to read through, and I did end up reading through them about how your aligners work, the charity work the company does, the best way to clean and remove your aligners, and then other products like the chewies that come in the box to help you bite down and place your aligners as well. Here I'm just opening my first aligner set and kind of looking at the aligners. They were not as clear as I originally thought they would be, and then I'm just fitting them into my mouth. Originally they did not really fit. They hurt a lot more than I thought they would for the first set, and the bottom ones did not fit properly right away. Because of how the bottom aligners weren't really fitting to my teeth properly, I took out the chewies and started biting down on them to help place them in my mouth, as you see here. It was kind of a weird feeling. They're like plastic rubber little pieces that you use to bite down on to help fit your aligners, but they end up helping a lot.
Cool, they fit. I'm definitely gonna have a lisp for a little bit, and it's gonna be probably uncomfortable for a while, but so they look like. Process was a lot faster than I anticipated. These bottom ones just don't feel like they're staying in. The process was a lot faster than I anticipated. They said it could take 3 to 5 weeks to get my aligner shipped, and it took like printed and shipped when I paid for them, and I'm pretty sure it took like a week. I'm just uploading this first video here on getting my Candid aligner kit, and I will try to update you guys throughout my entire aligner journey. Hey everybody, it's day 2 with wearing my Candid aligners. And I've had braces, and I had to wear my retainer for a week after. Also notice the extreme lisp I have. My teeth fucking hurt. But you can't really tell if I'm not talking. It makes my lips protrude out a little bit more, but